I'm Brian Jessen with Wintrust Mortgage, and this is
Celeste Barr with eXp Realty, and
we thought we'd give you a quick kind of 1.5 minute scoop on what's going on in the mortgage market right now. I can tell you what's going on in the mortgage market. Celeste can tell you what's going on with the real estate side. So do you want to tell me what's going on in the current market here in Northern Illinois?
Well, our industry is kind of interesting because we hear a lot about the national news where the market is, where they're saying the market is softening. And we have a lot of people that are thinking, oh my, what's going to happen with the market? And what about interest rates? I want you to kind of hear is in our market in Chicago, we're still in a very good seller's market. And I have not experienced where we're not having people dive into whatever is new on the market. So as much as I know that the scene on the national side is different and it's, maybe it's softening and people are talking about longer market times, we don't have that right now.
Okay. All right. That's good. On the mortgage side, recently, it looks like the employment picture is slowing down. Inflation's a little higher than they'd like, but now I think the concern is more on the slowing down of employment. We had a report today for employment for August that kind of backed up the slowing market of employment. So that's helping mortgage rates. So mortgage rates are now, depending on your product, in the mid-5s to low 6s. So historically, that's really good. I know if you have a mortgage from 2020 or 2021, that doesn't sound as good, but historically, if you ask people what that looks like, it's down at 1.5%, maybe more than 2% from where it was kind of in the highest level recently. So that is a really good thing for affordability.
Awesome.
And also, I think when you're talking about real estate, I know in the Chicagoland market, we've had nice increases, but weren't crazy like in Naples, Florida, or Charlotte, or Tennessee, where they went up 300%. And now they've really slowed down because they went up so crazily high. We've had a more steady increase. Maybe that helps too.
Well, and I also know there's other factors besides just simply the supply and demand. I've heard of other things such as insurance being difficult to get in some of the southern states and or in California, and it doesn't seem to have affected us as much here in this area.
Agree.
So
that's your latest little scoop on what's going on in the market locally. Interest rates coming down, still a good market here in Chicago, more steady than say around the country. So all good news so far.
And thank you so much for coming and watching, and stay tuned because we're going to have another one in just a moment.
Thank you. Bye now.